Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use black color. And now we draw the letter of A. Kids, now we draw B. The next one is C. Now we draw D. The letter of D. The next one is E. Now we draw F. The next one is G. And now we draw H. H for hand. Kids, the last one is I. And now we use colors. First we draw A. Now we use red color. A for apple, A for ant. A. We again use red color and now we draw the letter of B. Kids, now we draw the letter of C. C for cow. Now we draw D. Kids, now we use black color and draw D. Now we use the color of black. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. And now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now we use green color and draw G. The color of green. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. We again use green color and now we draw I. I for eyes. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to I. Thank you so much for watching.